worry about me and who I fire. I get what I...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, y'all, as you guys can see, I have my natural hair out and I've had it out for like 2 weeks by now. And I'm over it. I'm over it. I do try, I try with my natural hair. I really do. I try to like wear it out in between styles to give it like some give it some breeze and, you know, really just embrace my natural hair. But look at this, y'all. Look at this. I can't do it. I'm sorry, I can't. It's just too much work. It's too much maintenance, and I'm too much of a busy person to be curling this daggone hair every day and twisting it every night, okay? So we're gonna do an experiment today. I have my birthday wig. Don't mind how it looks, y'all. I have not been taking care of this hair at all, and this is blonde hair, so you need to like actually take care of it. So as you guys can see, this is a closure wig. So I'm thinking of obviously coloring it. I'm going to cut this into a V-part wig. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut the middle right here and just have some of my hair left out as well, because I just can't do the lace anymore either. Like, the lace was cute for my birthday because it's blonde and I needed it, but normally I do not do lace. Like, I'm over lace, right? So I'm thinking of doing that. So I'm going to cut it into a V-part wig and have some of my hair left out in the middle. But the thing is, my hair is black, so that's where that's the trouble that we're having right now, right? So I ran to the beauty supply store and I got this honey brown, which is the color that I want, right? I want the honey brown. But then I also got this dark warm brown for the top of the hair. So I think I'm gonna dye the top of the wig the dark warm brown, and then I'm gonna dye the ends, towards the ends of the hair, this honey brown. And then I also think I want to dye my leave out with this warm brown as well. But I don't know how that's gonna work out, or if it's gonna like really even catch anything with my black hair, you know, without mixing it with any like W2 or anything like that. BW2, the you know what I'm talking about, the BW2. So I'm thinking, like, should I really experiment and do this and try it and it be a success or it be a failure? Like, I'm really messing with like a lot of things right now. I'm messing with the wig and I'm messing with the color and my hair. So it's a lot of risks going on right here. But listen, we're trying to save money and we're trying to do our hair on our own, save those coins. So it's gonna just have to happen. You're gonna come with me. You're gonna come along with me and see if it turns into a slay or a nay. Okay, oh, and I also got this silicone mix to deep condition the wig. This is what you need to deep condition your wigs, okay guys? Any type of weave, this is a miracle worker. Like, it literally brings your weave back to life. So I'm gonna soak this in, I'm gonna soak my wig in the silicone mix for like 30 minutes to an hour. While that's happening, I'm gonna wash my hair and blow dry it and braid it down and get it ready for the wig. Well, actually no, I'm gonna dye it first and then do the silicone mix. Yeah, so we're gonna dye it first actually. And then I also got these spring wig clips, and I got a needle and thread just to sew it down. Yeah, so I got some needle and thread to sew the wig clips on the side to, like, you know, attach to my braids. So I'm nervous, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous. So let's see if we can finesse and get this done, okay? So with this color, I think I'm gonna do the watercolor method, and I'm gonna put it in a hot tub of water and just dip it in. Another risk, but I'm gonna try that. And let's just see how this goes, guys. I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
You got potential. You got potential.
body holding it down for me. I know you're good in the hood, but so good with just me, yeah. When I'm running low, will you still cover for me? Going bands to make me feel lovely. When I go, will you still think of me? I need to know for sure, 'cause you got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. Caught my interest, talking that shit, so intriguing. We could go far, go the distance, I could see it. I'm not trying to be out my hopes up. If you're over me, then let me know what's up. Don't change up on me in the long run. Keep it open, 100. 'Cause you got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. Had a few niggas body die for me. Tell me, baby, will you slide for me? Keep the Glock 40 holding it down for me. I know you're good in the hood, but so good with just me, yeah. When I'm running low, will you still cover for me? Going bands to make me feel lovely. When I go, will you still think of me? I need to know for sure, 'cause you got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You caught my interest, talking that shit, so intriguing. We could go far, go the distance, I could see it. I'm not trying to be out my hopes up. If you're over me, then let me know what's up. Don't change up on me in the long run. Keep it open, 100. 'Cause you got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got
trying to think if I should cut it into a bob or not. Like, I low-key feel like I should cut it into a bob, but this is actually really cute though. It's the next day. It was pretty late last night, so I just cut it yesterday. As you guys saw, I cut it, and this is the aftermath. It doesn't look too bad. I think I need like more clips just to put right here underneath my ear to really hold it down.
But for the most part, it doesn't look too bad. Like, my hair obviously didn't color because it's black, but it doesn't look bad with the transition, so it doesn't look as bad as I thought it was. I'm just going to flat iron my leave out and put some edge control on my edges. So I use the Edge Booster Edge Control. I'm just going to apply that to my edges, make it look a little proper, because what is a style without a little bit of edge? It just puts the whole look together. It makes it look more natural. So I'm gonna do a little bit of edges. Put this to tie it down a little bit. Alright. I did use the Wow Heat Protectant to flat iron my leave out. And now I'm gonna see if I can add a few little curls. I decided to do my wand curler today, actually, because I feel like this would look better with like wand curls. And it's like easier to work with too. So I'm going for like a similar wavy look. I'm just gonna put a few of these in here. I'm not gonna curl the whole entire thing because I have a few meetings today that I have to attend to. So I'm just gonna do a few curls to look decent for our meetings today, and that's it.
and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire, and yes, I call the shots.
I'm gonna use my Cara Care wax stick. You can't really see it anymore, it's gone, but I've had this for a while. It was expensive, but I had it for a while, so I guess it's worth it because there's still a lot left. I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna mold my hair down. This takes away any flyaways from my leave out and makes it look a little flatter than what it looks like right now. Okay, it already looks better, literally. Gonna add some of that wax stick, really flatten it out. You see how flatter it looks already? Like, wow, this wax stick is amazing for like natural hair, weaves, all that. So we're just gonna comb out these curls a little. Ooh, not too much now. I'm just gonna comb it out with my fingers instead. Alright, it looks cute. I like it, guys. Put some lip gloss on because my lips are chapped. And we're going to take this band off because I have a meeting in 7 minutes. So, take this band off. Ooh. Adjust my clips back there because they got a little discombobulated. But yeah, I think the only thing I need to do is just get more clips just to really secure these edges right here and make sure it goes down, like really down on these sides. But other than that, I think I did a pretty good job for doing this at home by myself. What do you guys think? Oh, yes. Yes. Period. Okay. I am my hairstylist at home, okay? Put on my glasses really quick. And now I am ready for my meeting. Social work, babe. But yeah, guys, that is it for my video today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this chaotic video, and I thank you guys for staying with me. But as you guys can see, it came out super cute. I'm so proud of myself because I was so nervous and I was contemplating everything, but this is a decent style that I can have for like the next 2 weeks until I'm ready to do something else. So yeah, I have to get into my meeting now, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm on the road to 2K, so get me there. And yeah, guys, see you in my next one. Bye.